tubishyiremo imbere. So now everything that you need today is packed.
It's time to leave.
So now we are on our way to the airport.
One day someone sent me a message asking if I could show them how I come up with ideas and what my process looks like. They suggested making a video that shows a typical day in my life. So today, I'm really excited to give you a sneak peek into one of those days.
Amasaha yadufashe twagomye kuba turiho saa mbiri none ndabona
haraza kuba hari kwaka bari abakobwa nibo bajya bakunda kumbwira ngo muzana rya tara ry'akazuba kabakubitsa akawoma babikubisa ka makeup ugasanga barasa neza cyane.
In this video, I will mainly focus on the shooting part, but don't worry, I will make sure that I make separate videos in the future about idea creation and the editing process. Towards the end of this video, I will also reveal 1 or 2 visual effects used and take you behind the scenes of voiceover recording sessions. Let me explain the 2 videos that we are shooting today for AKG Aviation. They approached with an idea to create a video for their meet and greet service. It's a VIP experience that allows travelers to skip lines and relax as they take care of all their airport procedures. And it was my responsibility to come up with the script and the plan for the shoot. Another video was the scenic tour experience. This video showcases the breathtaking views you can enjoy from above during a helicopter ride and the process of passing through the airport terminal to the helicopters.
uguraza kugenda nyine uri busy uri ku phone anywhere. Nubwo hasi.
On this particular scene, we wanted the 2 parts of the door move at the same time, and Yvette and Alphonse from AKG Aviation can be assisted in synchronizing the door movements. The funny part was when he said "open" and they couldn't hear us.
Ewan, right now they're checking some footage because they're from Zimeze, then it's good.
We started with this video because the weather was perfect and we didn't want any interruptions that would force us to reschedule the shooting. Here we have the Augusta AW119 MK2 helicopter by AKG Aviation. It has 6 passenger seats, but for today's shoot it will be just the 4 of us, the photographer, the lighting guy, the talent and myself.
Hajya tuca kuri Nyabarongo, right?
Turaca kuri Nyabarongo nibigeze niba mushaka ko tumanukaho hasi.
Kigaga cyo utanze uzifunga kabisa. Yeah.
For safety briefing, seat belt must be on while you are inside.
You like it? Uravuze ngo Monarch yatatangiye kuririmba yandi bango. Ushaka kugukatisha.
Kuriya ba.
I can watch it.
Now that we're done with this video, the next one is the main video, the meet and greet advert. In this arrival scene, our talent enters through this door, looking a bit worried. As she steps inside, she discovers AKG Aviation staff waiting for her, holding a sign with her name, and he warmly greets her, assists with her bag, and guides her to the lounge, which is on this side.
iyi ni key ituruka hanze kazi kamukoraho kuri back hangahita dushyiramo na fi hano bikarushaho kuryoha bikamera neza. Tugiye kongeramo n'irindi rimwe gateya kugira ngo birusheho kuryoha.
Urumva turaza guhera yinjira. I think it's still fine ko n'ubundi riri inyuma. Yinjira. So the next scene is going to be inside the lounge. So it looks like the light is well set, and the next thing now is to start filming. Lounge yose
I also wanted to capture the challenges of airport procedures, so I decided to create a time-lapse of the package reservation staff going through the various processes. After completing all the necessary steps, our talent receives her passport back, and together with the accreditation staff, they head outside.
Well, now let's talk a little bit about the editing process. I will not dive deep into it, but I want to show you about 2 or 1 shot that I transformed. Take a look at this. I changed the background of this part when she was getting out of the bus, because I wanted to have a background which has an airplane behind to have this airport vibes that I was looking for. I used Adobe After Effects.
The voiceover part was a lot of fun to work on. However, it took some trial and error to find the final voiceover.
Book Akagera Aviation's VIP meet and greet service today and experience the ultimate in airport convenience and welcome.
We went through 3 different options until we finally found the one that the client was happy with. I'm delighted to have worked on this project, and I'm happy that the client was satisfied with the results. Thank you for watching this behind-the-scenes video, and let me know which part was your favorite in these 2 videos. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel.